Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is a super quick Bronco update. I know a lot of you guys follow for the Bronco, and that's great. So I'm gonna give you guys a little update. So we got 2 quarter panels, a new front fender. Only problem is that second quarter panel I got off eBay was super dented, which dents better than rust, but like still, like, come on. And unfortunately the warranty, I couldn't send it back, so they gave me a $25 gift card, which is like better than nothing, but still like kind of annoying. I've been wanting to work on the Bronco, guys, but it's not that easy when freaking BC decides to be frozen 24/7. Here's the Bronco right now. I haven't done much to it since the last video. I've just kind of been collecting parts and stuff, but it's under tarps. It's freezing. It still is mint, don't get me wrong, but yeah, it's snowing again, and this being outdoor makes it so hard to work on here in BC. It's just so cold, so wet all the time. But guys, I got good news. There's no reason I can't finish this Bronco for summer, so I'm stoked about that, because it should be good to go on the road. Whether it's in mint condition with a paint job, probably not, but good to drive, because it's almost drivable, guys. It's really close. So that's the first thing. Good news is, and bad news, my workplace is shutting down for like a month. So I have so much time in that period, fully focus on the Bronco, and just finally have time to just every day in the morning, just go nuts on it. So I'm really looking forward to that. I'm going to be losing a lot of money because I'm not working, but I'm excited that I finally have some time, because that's never going to happen again. I'm excited to take this time finally that I have to get some stuff done and really put it towards the Bronco. So that's exciting. But yeah, guys, quick update. That's it. Bronco's doing well. It's just I can't work on it. It's just been a crazy ride lately. Mustang failed the freaking vehicle inspection. Go check out that video. I'm gonna freaking just tow it down a freaking cliff. So I'm a little bit frustrated with that, but thank you guys so much for watching. Bronco's mint. We're gonna keep working on it. To everybody who loves the Bronco build, I appreciate you. It's been a long build, but it's almost there. It's almost driving, so I'm excited. Thanks guys so much. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace.